Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's Kill Keo. So, remember a few days ago I did confused cat memes, aka Smudge. We're gonna do it again. This is part 2. So, let's get straight into it.
Smudge is finally getting all the recognition he deserves for his beautiful face, and I'm here for it all. Let's forget the angry lady. This is a shout out to all my fans. Yo, Smudge, we love you, bro. Grapefruit, good for every meal. You know exactly what I'm about to say. Yo, Smudge, we all thinking it, bro.
Thinking it.
You said I was the one. I said you were on one. There's a distinct difference, sweetheart.
Wow.
You said you drove a Chevy. I said don't get on top. You heavy. Smudge. This boy is savage, yo. You don't matter. Give up. What the f***? That's my line. Yo, she's adapting. You said I love you. I was homeless.
You said I was homeless.
Just needed a place to lay my head down. My open 6 a.m. Wait, what? Yo, what's got an intern? Be gypsy. Baggy.
Get another license plate.
Just nasty. You said my kids could call you dad. I said, your kids are bad. Your Smudge just has no chill.
No filter.
And loves Owl. Anal. You gotta think these things through, y'all. Nutritional doctor. Not right.
And that's a Maryland tag? Oh, nah.
These license plates. Blowjobs for $3.99. Wait, what the f? Yo, Smudge, she trying to steal your shot, cuz.
Gotta get your get back, Smudge. You gotta get your get back.
I'ma buy you a drink, and then, ooh-wee, I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. Shawty, what you think about that? Find me in a gray Cadillac.
Got them vocals.
I passed you a napkin and you told me I look good. I said good luck.
Good looks.
The Samson thing in the fitted. Blue Jay's mom, call me. Hit my line, yo.
Yo said call me.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it. Mm-hmm.
Yo, I never heard that till I moved down south. I'm like, what is that? How hard is it to say appreciate it? Orgy. Count me in. Yo, old girl wildin' now.
What?
He died in his sleep. Dude woke up dead.
How do you wake up dead?
Yo, why do we say this as black people? How you wake up dead?
Exactly.
It's about to or going to. Finna.
Finna. Yep.
Another one I didn't hear until I moved down south. Like, what is a finna? Fire medic unit. Fire me unit.
I ain't even ready to lie. I read it like that too. I ain't even ready to lie.
Nacho cheese Doritos. Red kind.
That takes the cake right there. It's either the red kind or the blue kind. That takes the cake right there.
Hey, I'm with Smudge on that one. It's either the red kind or the blue kind.
Exactly.
We don't name names around here. You said you went to Penn State. I said I went to the state pen. Hey, Smudge, I'm tired of this girl on your case, man. Grandmother has diabetes. Big mama got that sugar. She got that sugar diabetes. Yo, Smudge, chill. There girls. B to B.
B to B.
Donnie did not bring Serena in this. My girlfriend telling the police not to arrest me. Me drunk and wondering why she's mad at the Uber driver. I swear Smudge is on another level. He might be meme of the year. See you later. I'm with you.
You could tell Smudge is black.
That's how we say it in the U.S., baby.
You can tell he is black.
He's 24 months. He's 2.
Why? Why do they do that? Like, talking about he's 24 months. Just say he's 2. Like, bruh. Like, just say he's 2. Like, why do they do that?
Like, why do we do this? What's the line? Can somebody explain to me? Like, what's the purpose? How did you get here? I caught the bus.
I caught the bus. Literally.
Hey, don't hit him on mans. He made a way to come see you now.
Exactly.
Box braids. Dookie braids. Why did we call them those at one point? I've heard that term back in the day. It's packed. Everybody named Mama in this.
Yep, he black.
That's how we say it, though. Unattractive. Oh, Smudge. I swear I think Smudge African American.
He is.
You have marijuana. I got gas. Smudge is from the hood, I swear. The streets of Memphis. It says little things. Titty things. Who's making these signs? Need to be fired. You just need to say it once. Oh, you mad, man.
You mad.
You have to say it twice to stress the significance of how mad they are. I'm pregnant. God. Don't you be a deadbeat dad.
When I tell you, that was literally my dad. When I tell you. But we ain't gonna get into detail. That's for another video. But when I tell you that was my dad, yeah. But like I said, that's for another video. Anyway. Wow. That'll do it for this one. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know what to do already. I don't gotta say no more. With that being said, deuces.